Welcome to today's commodity market update, where we bring you the latest insights and advanced analysis. In today's video, we're focusing on CBOT wheat futures and the key factors driving the market. On September 17th, Chicago Board of Trade, CBOT, wheat futures remained steady after seeing a sharp decline the previous day. This drop came as traders took profits following the easing of concerns over potential disruptions to Black Sea wheat supplies. After the decline, the most active wheat contract managed to edge up by 0.3%, settling at $5.80 per bushel. Wheat prices had recently bounced back from four-year lows, reaching as high as $5.99 per bushel on Friday, the highest level since mid-June. Several factors contributed to this recovery, including crop damage in Europe, the weakening US dollar, and geopolitical tensions stemming from a missile attack on a grain vessel in the Black Sea, which Ukraine attributed to Russia. However, with no further escalation in the Kyiv-Moscow conflict and continued wheat exports from Russian and Ukrainian ports, market fears have eased. This shift led to a 2.7% price drop on Monday, though wheat prices remain around 10% higher than they were just 3 weeks ago. In the Black Sea region, dry weather conditions continue to present challenges for the planting of winter wheat in southern Russia and Ukraine. Despite these difficulties, last week's U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, report revised its forecast, predicting higher global wheat ending stocks. This helped to cap further potential price increases. Meanwhile, Statistics Canada announced on Monday that Canadian wheat production for 2024 is expected to rise by 4.1% compared to the previous year, reaching a projected 34.3 million metric tons. This news has added additional pressure on wheat prices in the global market. As we look ahead, traders will be watching key market indicators, weather conditions, and global geopolitical developments that could further impact wheat prices. Stay tuned for more updates and advanced analysis on the latest commodity trends. Thank you for tuning in to today's update on CBOT wheat futures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth market insights and analysis. We'll keep you informed on all the important developments in the world of commodities.